Hello guys, welcome to the channel Learn, Think and Write. In this video, we'll be seeing do while loop. In previous videos, we have seen the programs and syntax for while loop and for loop. In this program, we'll be seeing do while loop. Now see the syntax of do while loop. First, the keyword do, then curly braces. In the curly braces, we'll be writing the statements whichever to be executed, and then in the last we are checking for the condition. After the execution of statements, we are checking for the conditions. In while and for loop, we were checking the condition first, and then the statement block was executed, but not the same here. Here we are first executing the statement block and then we are checking for the condition. So what is the benefit of do while loop? Here the statement block is executed at least once. Okay, even if the condition is false for the very first iteration, the loop will be still getting executed at least once. And next, once the condition is false, the control will come out and the next statement block will be executed. And if the condition is true, the control will again go to the statement block, and until the condition becomes false, the statements are executed. Now we'll see the program for the same. Okay, and here is the program. In the program, we are taking one variable I. We are assigning value phi. Now the do keyword. Then we are printing the value of phi. Now in the output, %d, I. So value of I is phi here. Now I minus minus. So the value of I becomes 4 now. Now the condition is checked while I greater than phi. So the condition 4 greater than phi. Is it true or false? It is false. But still it has executed once. Now the condition is false, so the control will not go back to the statement block. The control will come out of the do while loop and we will get the output phi over here. Understood? So the advantage of do while loop is the loop is executed at least once, and after the executing the statement block, the condition is checked, and if the condition is true, it will again execute the block, and if the condition is false, the control will come out of the loop. Hope you understood the program. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, like, subscribe and comment the channel. Thank you.